Hello everyone, this is David, a specialist of GRP panel tank. I'd like to present the installation of wall and partition panel. Partition makes a lot of benefits in terms of money and time saving. Actually, all the manufacturers have different standards for reinforcement of partition. Let's get it. Today I shared about partition panel installation. How was the movie? If you have any comments or inquiries, kindly listen to my email and put like and subscribe it if you like my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.